Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best LEGO kits is probably one of the most engaging and educational toys you can get for your young builder. These kits are designed specifically for boys aged 4 to 6, offering a perfect blend of fun and learning. They're a fantastic way to spark creativity, improve problem-solving abilities, and help develop those all-important fine motor skills. Get ready to dive into a world of colorful bricks and endless possibilities. Number 5. LEGO City Holiday Camper Van 60283. This camper van is perfect for family vacations. It features a furnished interior, an opening side panel, and a removable roof, making it easy to play with. The set includes a baby, mom, and dad minifigures. Inside, there's a table, kitchenette, and sleeping area, ready for adventures. This set comes with accessories like a baby carrier, camping stove, pan with a fried egg, croissant, smoothie maker, baby bottle, camera, and cups. Everything you need for a fun trip. Kids can drive the camper to their favorite spot, set up the outdoor furniture, and enjoy a family picnic. It's all about creating memories. The set includes a printed building guide and instructions plus, available on the LEGO Building Instructions app. It's a great gift for kids aged 5 and up. LEGO City Great Vehicle Toy Cars make great gifts. This set lets them act out real-life scenarios and have hours of fun. What we like. This camper van offers a complete vacation experience. It has a detailed interior and comes with accessories that bring the camping trip to life. If you are looking for a gift that sparks imaginative play and allows kids to create their own holiday adventures, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The pieces are still manageable for little hands, but the design offers a fun challenge that helps develop fine motor skills and problem-solving abilities. It has many accessories such as cups, plates, etc. The motor home's back part opens, allowing you to play with items in the motor home. Can take the items in and out. The details are incredible, from the opening roof and doors to the fun little accessories like the mini camping stove and coffee cups. Number 4. LEGO City Tractor 60287 Building Toy. This awesome LEGO set is perfect for kids aged 5 and up. It features a cool tractor with big tires and a loader bucket. The set includes farmer and daughter minifigures, along with a rabbit. It also comes with hay bales and veggie elements, providing lots of farm fun. Kids can load the hay bales and veggies into the tractor's bucket. Then, they can use the boom to lift them up high. The tractor's tires can handle any terrain, delivering the crops. The farmer and his daughter are ready, and so are the hungry rabbits. The set includes a building guide and instructions plus. It's also a great gift idea for birthdays or Christmas. What we like. This tractor set brings the farm to your living room. It features a realistic tractor with a working bucket and includes farmer minifigures. If you like the idea of teaching kids about farm life and enjoy hands-on play, this set is a great option. What people say. Red tractors are hard to find in LEGO toys and this set was perfect. Perfect starter LEGO for the newest LEGO fan. Tractor a big hit, loved putting it together, great gift. Number 3. LEGO City Roadwork Truck 60284 Toy Building Kit. This is an ideal introduction to the exciting world of LEGO City. It's perfect for kids aged 4 and up, designed to inspire creative, independent play based on real-life scenarios. The set includes a front-end loader, wheelbarrow, traffic cones, a roadwork sign, and a shovel. It also comes with a worker minifigure and a rat figure. Kids can cordon off areas with the sign and cones. They can also fill and tip the front-end loader's bucket. It's all about playing out fun scenarios with the worker and rat figures. LEGO City 4 Plus sets let kids and grown-ups discover the joy of building and playing together. With special starter bricks and simple guides, it helps kids grow key life skills step by step. When built, the truck measures over 3 inches high, 3 inches long, and 2.5 inches wide. It's a great size for little hands to play with. What we like. This roadwork truck is a great introduction to LEGO City. It's designed for younger builders with starter bricks and simple guides. If you have a child who is just starting with Legos and enjoys construction, this set is a fantastic starting point. What people say. Could be used for road construction play, building construction, farm play. It's very versatile. My 4-year-old grandson only needed a little adult assistance to put it together. He looked at the pictures and pretty easily assembled this set by himself. He loves it and it's sturdy enough he can play with. Number 2. Lego City Sports Car 60285 Building Kit. Introduce your kids to the exciting world of Lego City with this impressive sports car construction set. It's an inspiring vehicle for imaginative role play, perfect for kids aged 5 and up. This set has everything kids need to create the impressive Lego City Great Vehicles sports car. There's even room behind the steering wheel for the driver minifigure. The car boasts eye-catching bodywork, an adjustable rear toy spoiler, sporty black rims with ground-gripping tires, and a detailed tinted cockpit. It's a fantastic design. This Lego City Sports Car 60285 building set makes a great gift. Surprise boys and girls aged 5 and up with this fun and engaging toy. When built, it measures over 1.5 inches high, 4.5 inches long, and 2 inches wide. This compact car is ready for action. What we like. This sports car is all about speed and style. It has an eye-catching design and a detailed cockpit. If you like the idea of a sleek, fast car that encourages imaginative play, it's a great choice. What people say. Had fun assembling the car, great detail and fun to play with, smiling face with smiling eyes. It is a well-made toy, instructions were easy, and it did not take him long to assemble it. A nice blue sports car that displays nicely with the other Lego cars. Really simple build, so this is a great gift to a younger Lego builder. Number 1. Lego City Beach Rescue ATV 60286 Building Kit. Introduce your kids to the exciting world of Lego City with this fun playset. The moment they open the box, the fun begins. This building set comes with a toy ATV and a trailer. It's perfect for transporting the included water scooter. The set also includes a lifeguard minifigure and a shark figure. The ATV and water scooter can accommodate the lifeguard. This Lego City Beach Rescue ATV is a great gift. It's perfect for holidays, birthdays, or any special occasion for kids aged 5 and up. When built, it measures over 2.5 inches high, 6.5 inches long, and 1.5 inches wide. It's a great addition to any Lego collection. What we like. This beach rescue set is perfect for creating exciting scenarios. It includes an ATV, a water scooter, and a lifeguard minifigure. If you like the idea of a set that encourages heroic play and fun water adventures, this is the one. What people say. The set includes a variety of colorful bricks and easy-to-follow instructions. The different components are well designed and fit together perfectly. It's a great way to introduce young children to the world of building and creativity. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.